owning the house is a bad idea. You see, a lot of banks actually want to give you loans. Please take the loans, easy EMI, easy interest. But let me tell you, this is a big scam and people are fooling. Let me explain why. Think about this, right? What age is yours? 20, 30, whatever age it is. Let's say you buy a house today. What would be the number of years? 10 years? 20 years? And guess what's going to happen? Majority of the amount that you're going to spend on buying this house, it'll go in the EMI, and your income is going to come, go away, come, go away. That means, let's say in the middle you have an idea, you want to start a business, you want to quit the job, you will not be able to. You know why? Because you bought a house. Oh, you know what the reality is? You actually don't own the house. House owns you and your freedom. This is an illusion. This is a trap that we have all fell into. You see, my name is 𝗪𝗪𝗏. I did not buy the house until I made my first $1 million. A lot of my friends were laughing at me. My parents were telling me, 𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏. But that is not how it is. Banks actually make a lot of money from you. You don't own the house. House owns you. Now, if you're watching this and wondering, but Dev, how do I own the house? There is a process which not only makes you a house, but makes you a lot of money. In short, it gives you a lifestyle. You see, I'm here in Estonia. I can do whatever I want. I can travel wherever I want. But first, what you need is to find the high income skills, build multiple streams of income, build a business which does not rely on one stream of income, which is active stream of income, and take that money and then you buy the house. How? Click the link, join the webinar where I share with you the 7-step process on how you can quit your job, find your passion and build business around it. Like how I've done it and hundreds and thousands of my mentees have done it. So click the link, I'll share with you the process so that you do not get fooled by the bank and become your own boss and take the ownership of your life. Click the link, I'll see you soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome India's first Passionpreneur mentor, Gadhvi.
If not now, then when?
It's his greatness, it's his authenticity that really got me connected to him.
If not you, then who?
One more big round of applause for Gadhvi!
Well done, well done. In his best-selling book, 80% mindset, 20% skills.
And he never looks only for himself, he always looks for the others also.
I have never come across a person like that.
He is a legend.
I reached a point where I said, you know what, my life has started to change. Now I'm going to give back to the world